This is my order from Farmer Tech with the Holzfforma G111. I went ahead and ordered a few bars and some chains for my other steel products. I thought when it said that the G111 had free shipping, but the shipping costs ended up being 80 bucks for everything. So a little more than what I was expecting by the time I got to checkout, but I went ahead and checked out anyway. So these are 20-inch bars, Holzfforma for the working man. So this is a 20-inch bar for my steel 261. And then I ordered a couple of bars for the G111. So those are the bars for it, some 14-inch bars. So let's open up and see what we have inside. Most of the ones I've seen unboxing videos for, they were all covered in this light tan tape. This one's covered in traditional packing tape. So literally took the slow boat from China, but it wasn't that bad. Alright, so they took the chains out of the boxes. So I should have some 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20-inch chains in here. Let's see if we can find those. That looks like some chains right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 20-inch chains for an MS-261 steel. Everyone has been saying German chains. That's not what the website says. It says German technology, not German made. Anyway, fuel filters. That's a standard item you want to use on your saw. Got a couple of extra caps. They were saying that these caps have the proper flat washer on them, and these do not. These have a round washer, so that round washer is not going to seal well for the most part. So they were dirt cheap. I've got them on a whim just to see. I don't think those are going to work worth a darn, but we have them anyway. This is a MS 200T or 200T cover. Alright, ordered a few tools. Everything is vacuum packed. So inside of here, T27 wrenches and a couple of scrunches. So anyway, those tend to get lost when you're out in the middle of the field. Alright, so ordered some blades for this, some 14-inch blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have 5 blades here in this pack. Let's double check and see. Open this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, that may be an extra. We'll go back and double check. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. They really do a good job with the bubble wrap. So this is the tool kit for the saw. So it looks like you got dogs in there. You got your T27 Allen wrench. You got your tuning screwdriver, chain catcher, and you have your scrunch and attachment bolts. And then mixing, everyone's pulled those out. And now here is the So G111 top handle saw. A lot of people I read online had said that theirs might not have come with this arborist D-ring, but D-ring is attached, so that's really nice. Let's check these and see if these are the flat washer or the round washer. So those are a round washer as well, but as you can see, it's wet, so they did run it at the factory. Let's check the bar oil. Also has a round washer, and bar oil looks pretty dry. So I'm going to say if they fired it up, they didn't put any bar oil in it. Quick check. So this is a metal case, just like a 200T. That's how the 2 bolts you're going to use to remove your muffler if you want to take that off and do a muffler job on it. Scratch. Let's see here. Oh. A little hard to get that out. There we go. Awesome. So that pops out. You got your chain tensioner. Things to move pretty smoothly. Some people had said some of the chain tensioners could be a little tight. It's tight, but seems to be okay. Muffler with spark arrestor in there. Spark plug. I'm gonna look right here. Quarter turn pops off. Comes out. So you can see that the throttle's moving something in there, so just have to check and see. So not going to do a fire up video right now. It is raining, but there is the G111. It's got its QC passed, so it passed quality control. Pull cable, it's got the orange woven in it. Pretty interesting. Anyway, there we go. So that is our G111. Right on. All right, we'll do a fire up video and see how it runs, but nevertheless, it comes out of the package, looks pretty good, no damage, so can't wait to try it out.